Hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to San Antonio Shoe and Luggage Repair. Today we'd like to talk about that favorite bag or piece of luggage that you have and just what the airlines or cruise ships can do to them. We know that once you find that bag that's a perfect size and packs just right, you don't want to get rid of it because of minor damage. So let's take a look at some of the issues you could be having with your bag. A bag with a broken or damaged wheel, or a wheel that makes a lot of noise, a wheel that won't turn, or a wheel that's just loud and frustrating to get through the airport. Well, we've all struggled with that, and we have a fix for that. Here with this bag right here, we have one wheel that won't turn at all. We have a homemade remedy wheel right here. Well, we can take care of that and get 4 new wheels on this bag and make it roll as if it was brand new again. Here's the bag that we showed you earlier that wouldn't roll. We've installed 4 new wheels on this bag, and it works perfectly fine and perfectly smooth. Remember, don't throw that old bag away because it's not rolling. Bring it by, and we'll fix it.